Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. This is Mimi Guapa. Today I'll be reading a text that I have prepared for my reading classes every Tuesday here on my TikTok live stream. So tomorrow we will have our first reading material, or I think we will even read up to 5 materials, but just in case, I already prepared 50 reading materials. So this one I will read the first. So the first one is entitled The Importance of Being Honest. Being honest is an important value that helps build trust between people. When you tell the truth, others feel safe and confident in you. Even when it is difficult, honesty shows strength and good character. For example, admitting a mistake may feel uncomfortable, but it also helps to understand and help you improve. Dishonesty, on the other hand, can lead to problems and broken relationships. People may stop believing you if you lie often. In school and at home, honesty helps better create a positive environment. By practicing honesty every day, you become a person others can respect and trust. The importance of being honest. Our first reading material. See you all tomorrow at 4 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. Philippines time. Bye! This is Mimi Guapa again.